Welcome to another iHusbandry instruction video. The iHusbandry guest menu provides the reader's task to capture the unique identifier associated with an RFID device. The RFID device is read by the iHusbandry hand reader, which displays the identifier on its screen, in addition to broadcasting it via Bluetooth low energy technology. To capture the identifier, power on the hand reader and pair it with the reader's task. As an example of the reader in action, Benny has graciously allowed his microchip to be read. Any number of RFID devices can be read and stored by the reader's task and then downloaded to a CSV file. When there are no more devices to be read, disconnect the reader from the reader's task and power it off. The iHusbandry scale, which works in a similar way to the hand reader, is not available at present.